Hello everyone, welcome to Daiso Design Tutorials. Today I will show you how you can easily download watercolor brushes from the internet and which is absolutely free. So these are the kind of brushes that I have downloaded from two websites, and the brushes you can see, the first one that I really like the most is the super diluted one. I'll just quickly show you. See how nice this is. It doesn't have the overlapping that most of the brushes have. So this is the second layer. See how nice this is. Doesn't have any overlapping also. And the second one is petal brush. There's also super nice brush, such a fine finish, and it gives you the best watercolor feel. The third one is watercolor even brush. You can have so many brushes, but these are the three topmost my favorite brushes. See how nice effect, the natural watercolor effect it has. And the other brushes that you can also download from that kit is flat dry brush, watercolor detail brush, round brush color shift, leaf strokes, soft airbrush, apple blossoms, watercolor crazed, soft wash brush, old beach, wet sponge, and grainy pencil. So these are the brushes, and you will also have these kind of stems also in that kit, like the flower. You can draw flower also. These stems also help you a lot in many of your illustrations. So I'll quickly show you the websites from which I have downloaded these watercolor brushes for free. So the first one is paper like procreate brushes. You can go to aqua splash watercolor brushes, and you can just click on the download option, and you have the brushes and you can import in your procreate. The second one is watercolor experience free mini brush set for procreate, and you can go to app.gumroad.com. I'll give you the links of these website in the description box below, and you can easily download them. It has the two brushes, grainy pencil and super diluted, and other brushes are in the paper like procreate brushes. So you can download these just for free, and that's it for today's tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye till then.